Hi guys, this is Farz and I am here with another color grading tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a faded portrait look in Photoshop. I will give this preset for the mobile Lightroom and also for the Photoshop and Lightroom CC. So let's get started. At first copy the layer by pressing Ctrl and J and then convert it to a smart object. And now open it with camera filter and then come into the basic and I want to increase the temperature. I think plus 12 is good. Press Q to see the before and after. It's easy to edit now. And now I want to decrease the tint, -9 for tint, and I want to decrease the contrast also. So I'm giving -10 for contrast, and I want to decrease the highlights. I think -55 is fine, and increase the shadow. I think 35 for shadow, and then -8 for white and -7 for black. That's fine. And then increase the clarity a little bit, 13 for clarity and also 13 for dehaze. And I want to increase the vibrance. It's 23 for vibrance and -8 for saturation. That's fine. Now come into the curves and select RGB here and then create a point, input 0, output 29 here, and then create a second point. I think this is fine. It looks a little bit dark now. And now here create another point. I think a little bit bright. I think, yeah, this is fine. And now create another point. I think this is fine. And the last one. I think, yeah, this is fine. So create a curve like this and now go to the red and create a point here, and I want to add the opposite color of red, just a little. I think this is fine. So create a point like this and then go to the green, and now I think this is fine. And now another one. That's fine. And now go to the blue and add some blue color to it. So I think this is fine. And now another point. I think this is fine. And the last one. Yeah, this is fine. So create a curve like this, and now come into the detail. I want to add some sharpness here. I think this is fine, and 13 for noise reduction. That's good. And now come into the SSL panel and hue, and I'm giving 8 for red, 8 for orange, and then -50 for yellow, and then 33 for green, and -42 for aquas, -27 for blues, and -24 for purple, and I'm giving 9 for magenta. That's perfect. And then go to the saturation. Here I'm giving -12 for red, +12 for orange, and -22 for green, -54 for aquas, and then -19 for blues, -15 for purple, and -12 for magentas. Then go to the luminance, and here I am giving -10 for red, -26 for yellow, -23 for green, -45 for aquas, and -26 for blues. That's fine. And now come into the split toning, and in the highlights I'm giving 47 for hue, 11 for saturation, and in the shadows 316 for hue and 4 for shadows. That's fine. And now I want to add some vignette effect, so just little, not too much. I think -7 for vignetting. That's fine. So I think it's done. Look at this before and after. It's fine now. So press OK when you are done. Look at this before and after. This is the before and this is after. It looks great. Let's try other images. And I want to apply exact the same values. So this was the before and this is after. Look at this. It's really good. If you think this is too dark, you can easily add some brightness to it, because this is a customizable preset. And now let's try with this. And here I am also using the same value. Look at this. It's really good. I love this one. So if you love this preset, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.